Hello, guys. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today I'm headed out to check out some industrial machine in Tao, around Matthias supermarket. That's what they said. So, let me go check it out. Let's see if we can get. Hey, kuna noise outside. Let's see if we can get an industrial machine. Let's see if we can get an industrial machine, a Juki. Singer, I saw it was expensive, 50,000. Yes, I'm so excited. It's like 10 a.m., 9:48 right now. So let's head out. Let's head out. So we go to the basement. Yeah. I want her to confirm everything. Everything is sealed. Hizi parts najiassembulia. But it's not something hard. Ziko tu kwa manual. Kwa iko kwa manual, I can assemble. Ni kitu iko tu self-explanatory, you can just fix on your own. Hii oil naweza ipata.
Aka warranty.
Warranty ni 1 year.
1 year.
Yes.
Any problem with the machine?
You just contact me. Oh my God. Are we going with you home? Oh my. Oh, way. You're so cute. I love it. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are unboxing our industrial machine from Juki 8700D. Come on in, let's unbox. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, ta-da! So big.
Turn it upside down, yeah, so that it's easier for you to fix.
RDMS.
Give me life, give me love.
Machine oil. My baby! Ah! Yee!
There go the screws you are looking for.
Sasa inaskruiwa hapo.
Kuzozo hapo naona tena iko chini, baada haitainua hii kitu.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. Oh, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right.
Action. Hey, you guys.
For the end of the night, oh, and we all got dreams.
It's not going in my cushion. Next time, we are going to